joined AUC as a local teacher, and today I stand before you not only as the first woman in my village to hold a master's degree, but also as a mother, researcher, quality education advocate, trainer, and leader.
The Tomorrow's Leaders graduate program is one of three Tomorrow's Leaders programs funded by the U.S. Department of State, empowering young students from the MENA region to become the future political, civic, and national leaders.
The program has been very successful in providing access to students who come and join AUC for graduate studies, and in this respect is very much aligned with graduate studies priorities at the university.
Students' leadership capacity is developed through their engagement in multiple skills enrichment programs on campus, like the Tomorrow's Leaders Annual Symposium.
The symposium is a great way to learn how to work in a team, how to actually achieve tasks, how to overcome challenges.
I really witnessed great experiences from fantastic future leaders from the region. The new TLG students work on thesis topics that are very special, high quality, with great professors.
TLG's commitment to gender equality is evident in its comprehensive approach and leadership development. Whether through civic engagement activities or field visits or supporting me in attending conferences pertaining gender issues, were very helpful in building an understanding of the current and ongoing gender issues.
We are privileged at the center because quite a few of the TLG students were refugees themselves. And this was very enriching to the program, but very specifically to their fellow students as well.
I came to Egypt as a refugee since 2013. It was very important for me to help the other refugees the same way as I did.
We trained refugees on several topics related to their employment, starting from CV and resume building to interview preparation.
Giving back to our communities, it's something that's norm in our hearts. فالليسنز اللي كنا بندرسها والنولج والريسيرش اللي كنا بنتعلمه inside the classes كنا بنعمل meetings وبنعمل summaries وبنديزاين training workshops.
And we got to see how a small impact of just a few teachers, how can this make a large impact to other students, because they paid it forward and they taught other teachers, and of course this influenced their education and how they teach.
Let us continue to learn, continue to grow, continue to do positive impact wherever we go in the world.